Your eyes do not deceive you. That is $300,000 sitting in my Phantom wallet as we speak. And the way I've made this kind of money is not by trading like everybody else. I have been deving. So I've been using the simple method that I'm going to show you now to start making some serious cash. Stick around and I'll show you how. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay, now I'm finally getting to the point where I'm going to demo for you exactly how this method works. But before that, I know I'm teasing you, but before that, there's just something else I wanted to talk about, and that is what the life of a trader truly is like. So let's have a look. I mean, I'm sure most of us know, but you know, opportunities and the way we're going to make loads of money is super difficult. I mean, when you look at these crashes that happen in these meme coins, that is just tons and tons of money that is just going down the drain if you have any stock in these meme coins. And you know, every single time the developer is always making tons more money than all of the traders. So, you know, I mean, let's find another example. I'm sure I can find one that emphasizes this more. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, here we go. So look at this chart here, okay? So obviously you've got the big spike where the traders can make their money, but look at this rug pull that's happened right here. That is where the trader has made their money. So what we're going to do is we're going to replicate that. We are going to make our money at that point. All right, so using createcoin.fun. Now, this is the site we're going to use. The best thing about this is that back in the day, if you wanted to make a meme coin, you had to code. But now, there is no coding required. It says right there, no coding required. All you need to do is push a few buttons and you can create your own coins. Okay, it's dead simple, and I do it all the time, and trust me, if I can do it, you can definitely do it. All right, but again, sorry to tease you even further, but I am going to discuss something else just before we get into that, and that's the different markets that are available for these meme coins. Most people are on pump, especially the people who make their own coins, the devs. They're on pump. The problem with pump is they take loads of fees, you know, more so than the Meteora market, say, which is what createcoin.fun is going to use. So let's have a look at createcoin. The Meteora market rather. So look at this. These market caps are a lot higher, and also look at the amount of activity that is on a coin like this. So once your coin gets the momentum, it's got the space to breathe, and you can have a really high market cap, and that's going to be nothing but good news for the developer. Now the trader's going to like it, sure, because I mean, look at this coin here, T-Rex, nearly 200k, and the trader's going to love that, but we will love it even more, and we don't even have to leave it very long to make some decent money, which is what I'm going to show you. So first thing is first, we have to connect our wallet. So we're going to connect the Phantom wallet by clicking that button in the top corner and just clicking Phantom. Easy peasy, that's done. Now, I'm going to show you roughly how much money is in the wallet now. So, normally, you want to be rocking around $100. We've got 117 here. You want to rock around $100. That's kind of the money you're going to need to put down in order to make the money later. So, here is where we'd put our meme coin's name, and here is where we'd come up with a cool image and a cool narrative, and we do all these cool things, and then we'd launch it, and then nobody would buy it, and then, we didn't do the marketing, we didn't do any of that. That's really annoying, and that's a lot of effort, and we're not going to bother with any of that, because what we have is this, the copy trending button. Now, copy trending simply takes a bunch of coins that are on the pump market at the moment that are hot, that people are already talking about, that people are already trading. So maybe, you know, the bots have locked onto it, or the trend chasers are already there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take one of these coins and copy it onto a different market. So we could pick any of these. I mean, we could pick 10 toes. Let's hit copy coin. We like them dogs, huh? So let's copy that coin there. And what will happen is the request will initially be blocked by Phantom. So you've just got to click through these. So you proceed, you confirm, you tick the box, and then you hit confirm anyway. And the deal is it's just a transaction that Phantom's not quite used to. So obviously it will give you these warnings. Now, this is where we create our liquidity pool. So this is where we put some of our SOL into the coin to get it going. 0.2 SOL is a good metric to start with. I would suggest 0.2 SOL. You can go a bit higher if you'd like, but 0.2 gets me the results every single time. So we need to confirm that transaction to put the SOL into the coin, and then that will put it onto the Meteora market. So as you can see there, here is our pool, and you see here our estimated value at $14.89, nearly $15, and there's our 0.2 SOL there. So we're going to see how those numbers change, but first we need to click this button here. So this is the boost on deck screener button. Okay, so what this is doing is this is taking our coin and it is launching it to the top of Dex Screener's trending list. So that means if anybody's got stuff automatically set to buy the trending coins, they're going to buy ours. 0.25 Sol, I promise you're going to get that back. So, you know, that's plus creation fees. That's about 0.5 Sol down. All right, and let's go. So let's have a little view on Dex Screener. When we have a look here, we can see how our coin's doing. So as you see already, the buyers are strolling in. They're already coming in, and this is thanks to the boosting property that we have bought. Okay, and that was really the secret sauce that makes this method work. It's getting that boost, it's launching our coin straight away, it's making the coin red hot right out of the gate so that you can get those buyers in and you can get the liquidity building up quickly. Look at that, 2K's worth of liquidity already, and we're at 500 transactions already. Impressive. The market cap, we're already at 2.4, 4.1K. So you saw all those market caps on the pump market were hardly anything close to this, and we've already broken through. So you can see how the Meteor market gives you that flexibility. It gives you the freedom for your coin to grow, and when we have that boost, it just punches us up and up and up and up and up. Now we have got tons of volume and liquidity pumping through our coin right now, so we're in a really good spot to pull the rug at any point. So, you know, I can leave this running for however long I like. You might want to leave it running for too long. So I'm going to sort of pick now as my time to do that. So here was our original value, 14.89. Let's refresh there and let's have a look what the value is now. Let's try another click. Come on out. There we go. $900. So we have absolutely kicked up like crazy. We've got 12 whole Sol poured into our coin right now. So what we're going to do in a minute is we're going to remove that liquidity and we're going to see how much money I've made. Now, if you subscribe and you leave a comment and a like, I will be giving away half of my winnings this video to one of those people. So you confirm the transaction after you pull 100% of that liquidity and all that money goes straight into your pocket. Let's have a look what this prize pool might be. So we started off $936, guys. We've nearly hit $1,000 and I ran that for hardly any time. So guys, seriously, you've got to check out this method.